Let's create an AI Payroll app using Python and machine learning. We import Flask for the web framework, NumPy for numerical arrays, and Linear Regression as our ML model to predict employee bonus percentages. This initializes the Flask application so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define training samples where each row contains two features, years of experience and performance rating 1 to 10, representing a variety of employee profiles. These are the target bonus percentages corresponding to each training sample, teaching the model how experience and performance correlate with recommended bonuses. We initialize a linear regression model and train it on our dataset, so it can predict an appropriate bonus percentage from any combination of experience and performance inputs. This route serves the homepage, rendering the HTML UI where users can enter employee payroll details for prediction. This route handles post requests from the frontend, receiving employee data and returning AI predicted bonus and salary calculations. We wrap the logic in a try block for error safety and parse the incoming JSO request body to access the submitted employee data. We extract the three input values from the JSO body, base salary, years of experience, and performance rating, converting each to a float with a safe default of 0. We package the experience and performance values into a 2D NumPy array as required by Scikit-Learn, then run the model to get the predicted bonus percentage. We clamp the predicted bonus to 0 or above and round it to 2 decimal places, preventing negative values that linear regression can produce for edge case inputs. We convert the bonus percentage into a monetary amount by applying it to the base salary, then add both together to calculate the employee's total compensation. We return a JSO response containing the predicted bonus percentage, calculated bonus amount, and total salary so the frontend can display the full payroll breakdown. If any error occurs during processing, we catch it and return a JSO error response with the exception message instead of crashing the app. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode, enabling live reloading and detailed error output during development. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.